guys, welcome back to another episode of Easy Kitchen. Today I'll be your host and I'll be teaching you how to make pach pulusu. It is a very easy recipe that you can do and it is also very tasty. So let's see how to make it. So the ingredients you will need to make this dish is a bowl of water, some tamarind extract, some fried red chilies, a cup of onions and some salt. So the first step is you need to take a lemon-sized ball of tamarind and soak it in 2 cups of water. Then you need to soak it for a while and extract the juice from it. After doing so, you will end up with something like this. Then add it into your bowl. After squeezing the tamarind into the water, you will have to end up with a substance like this. Now, the second step is to take your dried chilies and crush it and put it inside your bowl. Like this. It should look something like this. Now you have to take your onions and add it into the bowl. Next is to add the turmeric inside the bowl. The next step is to take some turmeric and add some into the bowl. The following step will be to take some salt and add it into your bowl again. After that, using a spoon, mix all of your ingredients thoroughly. If you want, add some curry leaves also. Now you've got to let this rest for half an hour. So guys, it's been about half an hour and the pach pulusu is finally ready. Now it's time for the epic taste test. It is really good. It has the tanginess from the tamarind and it is an amazing combination if eaten with some rice and pickle. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next episode.